Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm about to reveal a brand new TikTok niche that's not only super exciting but also a total goldmine for anyone ready to dive in. This niche is completely untapped and not saturated yet, which means you can quickly grow your followers and start making serious cash through the TikTok Creativity Program. The niche I'm talking about is Pirate Story Niche. Pirate Story Niche are about to become the next big thing on TikTok. It's the perfect combination of creativity and engagement that will have your audience hooked in no time. Right now, there's almost no competition in this space, so you can easily grab a ton of attention, rack up those views, and grow a loyal following fast. I'm going to show you how to create pirate story videos using free AI tools. You won't need expensive tools or editing software. With these free AI tools, you can effortlessly produce high-quality, engaging pirate story videos that will keep your viewers coming back for more. So make sure you watch the video to the end because I'll be breaking down every step you need to take to create epic pirate stories using the power of AI. Before we get started, let me give you a peek of what we will be creating today.
In the heart of the seven seas, Captain Blackbeard and his crew sailed aboard the Crimson Skull, hunting for the fabled treasure of Isla Verde. One stormy night, the ship was swept toward an uncharted island, where ancient legends spoke of a hidden cave guarded by a colossal sea serpent.
All right, let's dive right into the process. The first step to creating an engaging pirate story video is getting the script. No need to worry about spending hours trying to come up with a storyline from scratch. Instead, we'll be using the power of ChatGPT to handle this for us effortlessly. Head over to ChatGPT and ask it to write you a 60-second story about the adventure of a pirate. It's as simple as that, and let ChatGPT take care of the rest. ChatGPT will instantly generate an exciting and engaging script for our video. Once ChatGPT has created the script, you can tweak it if necessary, but chances are it's going to give you exactly what you need. Now that we've gotten our script, it's time to move on to the next step, creating a high-quality voiceover for our video. For this, we'll be using 11 Labs, one of the best text-to-speech AI tools out there. Not only does it produce incredibly realistic voices, but it also offers a variety of voice with different accent to choose from, whether you want something bold, adventurous, or smooth. 11 Labs has you covered. Open your browser and head over to 11labs.io. Once you're there, click on Get Started and create your account. It's super simple and only takes a minute. After your account is set up, go back to ChatGPT and copy the script we generated earlier. Then return to 11 Labs and paste the script you copied in the speech synthesis box. Click on the voice option and explore the wide variety of voices available. You can try each of the voices to see which one best matches the tone of your video. Once you've selected your voice, click Generate and let 11 Labs do the magic. Within seconds, 11 Labs will produce a professional voiceover for us. You can go ahead and download the voiceover to your device. Now that we've got our script and voiceover ready, it's time to move on to the next step, generating the images for our video. For this, we're going to use Leonardo AI, an incredible tool that will help us create stunning visuals in no time. Open your browser and search for leonardo.ai. Once there, click Get Started and create your account. It's quick and easy. After you've signed up, click Image Creation and you will be presented with this interface. Next, click on Settings and make a few tweaks to get the perfect images. Set the style to cinematic. Then change the aspect ratio to TikTok's format. Once that's done, head back to ChatGPT and ask it to give you prompts to generate images for our video. Within a few moments, ChatGPT will provide you with the perfect prompts to generate images for our video. Copy the first prompt. Go back to Leonardo AI. In Leonardo's prompt section, paste the prompt you copied and hit Create. In just a few moments, Leonardo AI will generate a set of stunning cinematic images for our video. As you can see, the visuals look incredible. Choose the ones that best match your story and go ahead and download them. Repeat these steps for the rest of the images you need, and before you know it, you'll have a full set of amazing visuals. If you've made it this far into the video, hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps grow the channel and allows me to keep bringing you more valuable tips and tutorials just like this one. Now let's dive back into it. The next step is getting background music for our video. Adding the right music can totally transform your content, keeping viewers hooked and setting the perfect tone for your video. And we'll be using Pixabay, a fantastic platform where you can find high-quality, free, non-copyrighted music for video. Open your browser and head over to pixabay.com. Once you're on the homepage, scroll sideways through the categories and click on Music. Now you'll see a wide range of music tracks sorted by genre, mood, and style. Take your time to browse through the different options and preview the tracks. Find something that matches the vibe and energy of your video. Once you've found the perfect background music for your video, go ahead and download it to your device. Now that we have our voiceover, images, and background music, it's time for the final step, editing. For this, we're going to use one of the best free editing tools out there, CapCut. It's easy to use and perfect for creating professional-looking videos, especially for platforms like TikTok. Head over to CapCut, click on New Project, and import all the images we generated earlier using Leonardo AI. Once your images are loaded, click on Aspect Ratio and change it TikTok Ratio, then stretch all your images to perfectly fit the screen. Next, click on Audio and import the voiceover we created with 11 Labs. Now arrange the images to match the flow of the voiceover, syncing each visual with the narrative. Once that's done, click on Audio again and import the background music we downloaded from Pixabay. Make sure to lower the music volume so it enhances the voiceover without overpowering. Now click on Overlays. Choose the style you like and apply it to all the images by selecting Apply to All. This will give your video a cohesive look. Next, we'll add animations to give each image some movement and make the visuals more dynamic. Pick the animation that best suits the mood of your scene and apply it to each image. To take things a step further, add effects to enhance the visuals and make your video even more captivating. Take your time and choose the perfect effect for each image. Now let's add zoom effects for extra depth and motion. Start by clicking on the first image and adding a keyframe at the start. Move to the end of the image, zoom in slightly, and add another keyframe. This will create a smooth zoom effect as the image plays. Repeat this step for all the images. Next, we'll add some sound effects to make the video even more engaging. Finally, let's add captions. Click on Text, and then Auto Captions. Choose your desired template and click Generate. CapCut will automatically create captions that sync with the voiceover. As you can see, our captions has been generated and everything is set. Click on Export, boost the video resolution to 4K for the best quality, and download the video to your device. And that's it, everyone. Now let's take a look at our final result.
In the heart of the seven seas, Captain Blackbeard and his crew sailed aboard the Crimson Skull, hunting for the fabled treasure of Isla Verde. One stormy night, the ship was swept toward an uncharted island, where ancient legends spoke of a hidden cave guarded by a colossal sea serpent. Determined, Blackbeard led his crew ashore, braving the dense jungle until they reached the cave's mouth. Inside, the serpent awaited. With a flash of his cutlass and a roar from his men, the pirate captain battled the creature, narrowly escaping its venomous bite. At last, they reached the treasure chest. But as Blackbeard opened it, he discovered there was no gold, but a glowing map pointing to an even greater adventure beyond the horizon. Smiling, he turned to his crew. The real treasure, he said, is still out there. The wind howled as they set sail once more, ready for whatever dangers lay ahead.
Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and let me know your thoughts in the comments below.